MLA citations consist of two parts: parenthetical citations and a works cited page. Let's start with parenthetical citations, which are also known as in-text citations. A parenthetical citation should accompany quotations, paraphrases, and specific references to sources at the point in the paper where the material from the sources actually appears. In other words, every sentence that uses words or ideas from a source, like a book, a web page, a song, a painting, or a film, needs a parenthetical citation. The parenthetical citation, as we can see from this generic example, consists of the writer's last name and the page number inside a parentheses at the end of the sentence. You want to place the period after the citation. Here's a specific example from Deborah Tannen's essay, Sex, Lies, and Conversation. We've quoted a sentence here. We've taken the words verbatim from Tannen's essay. At the end of the sentence, Tannen's name appears inside parentheses with the page number that the quotation came from. If we used Tannen's name inside the sentence, then we can omit her name from the citation at the end of the sentence, as in this example. Of course, we often paraphrase instead of quote from source material. That is, we often take ideas from sources and put them into our own words. What happens then? The in-text citation stays exactly the same. In the example on your screen now, we aren't quoting the sentence anymore, but we're still taking an idea from Tannen's essay. So we still need to cite, and the citation is the same. The end of the sentence, inside parentheses, Tannen's last name, and the page number, but the period after the citation. Same is also true with the paraphrase. If we work Deborah Tannen's name into the sentence, then we can omit her name from the citation at the end. What about electronic sources, which often don't have page numbers at all? Well, in that case, you're just going to use the author's name in the parentheses at the end of the sentence. And if you use the author's name inside of the sentence, then that author's name in the sentence counts as the parenthetical citation. That's all you need to do. Of course, there are other instances where the citation format is a little different, like a film on a DVD or the Bible. Take a look at the examples of in-text and parenthetical citations in your writing handbook for how to cite things like DVDs and the Bible.